Each of us would like to have the ability to transform our reality, shape future events, and heal our bodies. Think for a moment. What could your life look like if you possessed such extraordinary power? You may find it hard to believe what I'm going to say now, but the truth is that each of us has these very miraculous abilities within us right now. The problem is that most of us are simply not aware of it, and as a result, we don't realize our potential. God has equipped us with such mental faculties as imagination, will, perception, intuition, reason, and memory. All of these serve to aid the creative process that takes place through our thoughts. To be precise, it's not that we don't use our abilities. We use them all the time. The problem is that we do it unconsciously, which makes us use them in the wrong way. This, in turn, leads to us experiencing unpleasantness and things in life that we don't really want. That's why it's so important that we learn to use our abilities in a conscious way, which will allow us to create reality in a planned way in accordance with our desires. Our imagination allows us to create something out of nothing. We can use it to turn something non-physical, like an idea or concept, into something physical and visible in the material world. We all use our imagination to create things, experiences, and circumstances in our lives. Unfortunately, many times we use it in the wrong way, imagining negative scenarios and things we don't want. So we must learn to use our imagination to create what we actually want to experience. As within, so without. Intuition is our inner voice telling us the truth at all times. Unfortunately, because of the noise around us, the opinions of others, social conditioning, it is hard for us to hear this voice. Many times this causes us to move away from our highest truth. So we will learn to quiet the external noise, move away from it, and listen to what our inner voice tells us. This will allow us to live in harmony with our nature and constantly move closer to the truth. Our memory reinforces beliefs and attitudes by continually reminding us of past experiences and the lessons we've derived from them. When these memories are positive and empowering, they can strengthen our belief in our ability to achieve goals and manifest desires. On the other hand, negative memories can sometimes hold us back. Therefore, we need to consciously focus on positive recalls and forming reinforcing beliefs within ourselves. Also, consider that we've been all given a perfect memory. We just need to train our mind properly to realize it. And whatever you ask in prayer, you will receive, if you have faith. The faculty of reason allows us to analyze, compare, and evaluate ideas, playing a crucial role in every decision we make. Additionally, it possesses a remarkable ability to synthesize all the information it accumulates, mixing it together to generate entirely new ideas. Perception shapes both our awareness of the environment and our interpretation of it, involving both conscious and subconscious functions. It's important to acknowledge the duality in everything. Often the good doesn't reside in the thing itself, but in what it brings about. Moreover, we always have the choice to decide what to focus on. In the subconscious, perception filters our awareness. Our conscious mind is bombarded with billions of bits of information every second, yet we can only process a small fraction of this information. What we do perceive is filtered through our existing beliefs and what our mind deems significant to us. Will is what we use to focus our attention. Many people have trouble staying focused, and they bounce around from one thing to another and never finish anything. As an American author, coach, and speaker, Tony Robbins said, "What you focus on expands." Understand that what a person concentrates on, they think about, and what they think about, they become. So how do we apply this knowledge in a practical way? First, we need to become aware of our thoughts. Learn to observe your thoughts and reject any negativity that appears in them. Always expect the best and know that you are in a higher power's care. As Jesus said, "According to your faith, let it be done to you." However, I would like to emphasize that each of us has the same abilities and is able to achieve miraculous results regardless of our religion. Here is what the Buddha said on this subject. "We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. Our deepest beliefs shape our reality. So strengthen your positive beliefs with affirmations. Use your imagination to tune into the frequency of your desired future through daily visualization and focus only on what's good throughout the day. Finally, I would like to discuss how, using our thoughts and beliefs, we can heal our bodies. Have you ever heard of the placebo effect? It occurs when a person experiences a real improvement in their health or total healing after receiving a treatment that contains no active healing ingredients. This effect is driven by the individual's belief in the treatment's effectiveness. However, it can also work the other way. I once heard a story of a man who was told by his doctor that he only had a few weeks to live. Up to that point, the man felt really good, and there was no indication that he was so close to death. However, from the moment he learned the doctor's diagnosis, he began to feel worse and worse every day, and after a few weeks, he actually died. What is particularly interesting, however, and tragic, is that after some time the doctor realized that he had been mistaken in his diagnosis and that the man was not really suffering from anything serious. Unfortunately, it was too late. It showcases how expectations can physically alter our body's responses and highlights the profound connection between our psychological state and physical health. The placebo effect underscores the potential of our thoughts to impact our well-being, illustrating the mind's significant role in healing and health management. Recently, the work of Dr. Joe Dispenza has gained considerable popularity. He conducts research on the impact of our thoughts and emotions on our brains and genes, resulting in whole-body health as well as experiences in the physical world. Dispenza is widely known for his workshops, seminars, and books that aim to help people create positive changes in their lives by fundamentally altering their thinking and emotional responses. During his workshops, in a matter of days, many people were able to cure themselves of chronic pain, neurological issues, autoimmune diseases, or even cancer. I believe that we have not yet fully discovered all the capabilities of our minds, and it is only slowly beginning to dawn on us what enormous potential we have. According to the Bible, God created us in His image, which could just mean that we too have the ability to create. Truly, truly, I say to you, whoever believes in me will also do the works that I do, and greater works than these will he do, because I am going to the Father. However, let's always remember to use these abilities in good faith, spreading goodness, love, and light throughout the world. If you found value in this video, please show some love by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel so you don't miss out on future content. Until next time, take care, and let's keep on creating our lives together.